Welcome
Hello
mga
guys,
katropa dito sa
how
buhay
are you
kasama
today?
Montreal. Ngayong
So
araw na ito
today
ay
we're
tayo
going to
mag-unbox at
unbox
mag-review ng
and review the MASTERCRAFT STUBBY
MASTERCRAFT
IMPACT WRENCH.
Stubby
So right
Impact
now
Wrench.
you could see
So,
the brand new
halika samahan nyo akong
STUBBY
mag-review at
IMPACT
mag-unbox.
WRENch.
So ngayon,
So I'm going
tatagalin ko
to
siya sa box para
open it,
makita
the
natin kung ano
box,
yung mga
and I'm
nasa
gonna
loob.
show you what is inside.
So ngayon mga tropa, bubuksan ko na yung box
So I'm
niya.
going to open now the
Tingnan na natin
box.
kung ano yung mga nasa loob.
So you could see now the
Yan mga
brand
katropa.
new STUBBY IMPACT WRENch.
Kita nyo rito, ito yung
So this impact wrench
MASTERCRAFT
is like about
Impact Wrench.
the weight is like
At ito
2
yung mga
pounds,
accessories
and you
niya,
could see also
manual.
the accessories,
Ito yung
the
lalagyan na
manual,
ng
and
oil.
this bottle is for the
Saka ito yung
oil, and
kabitan ng hose sa
this
compressor. So,
air fitting.
kakabit ko muna
I'm
ito at
going to connect
pagkatapos
on
itetest
the
na natin
impact
kung
wrench. So
gaano siya kalakas.
right now let's connect it
So ngayon mga katrabay,
to the
kakabit ko
impact
muna.
wrench. I'm gonna show you how to
Papakita ko sa
connect.
inyo maya maya ng konti.
So right now
Mga katropa, makikita nyo,
I'm
ito
going to
ginagawa
connect
ko,
the
kakabit
air
ko
fitting to the
dito
impact wrench,
kasi ito dito yung
and this air fitting is also to connect the air hose.
Diyan, kakabit
So
yung hose ng compressor. So
let's
ngayon, ang gagawin ko
put
ay
some
lalagyan ko
Teflon
siya
on
ng
it.
Teflon
So right
tape
now I'm going to
para
get some Teflon, and I'm gonna
sumingaw.
put around on the
Ganyan lang
thread
mga tropa, lagyan natin.
on the
Ikutan
air
natin ng
fittings. So I'm gonna put 2
dalawang
times on it,
tapos putulin natin.
and then after,
Tapos kasi dito meron siyang
right now I'm going
so tinanggal ko siya.
to screw it
Ito,
on the impact
kakabit
wrench.
natin diyan.
So you could see right now I'm screwing it on the
Yan.
impact wrench,
So gamit.
and then I'm going
So
to
higpitan
tight
lang
it
natin siya kasi para hindi lumabas
so
yung
the air will
ilang natin. Ikot
not
lang
coming
natin
out
siya.
on the fitting.
Yeah.
So we need to tight it properly,
Ipitan natin
but
ng
not too
maigi.
tight so we don't damage the thread. So you can see I'm doing it slowly so it don't damage the thread.
Oops, yeah.
So after this
Pang-ikot.
after tightening this, I'm going to show you
Tingnan pa natin kung pwede pa
how it
umikot.
works. So I think
Oh,
it
tama
is
na. Sakto lang. So,
tight properly now. So
ngayon,
as according to the manual, I need to put
lagyan ng
oil
oil
before
bago
each
natin
use of the impact wrench.
Okay.
So I'm looking for my air
So,
tools
ito
oil.
ginagamit
So right
kong
now
oil.
I will show
Power
you
Mate.
my Power Mate
Ito
air
ay para
tools
talaga
oil.
sa mga
So I'm going to put 6
ganitong
drops
power tools.
on the air fitting.
So,
So it helps
ito ay para sa mga air
the impact
tools
wrench
talaga. So,
to work properly and
gamitin natin
also
siya.
not to damage
Lagyan natin siya ngayon ng mga
the impact wrench.
Sabi,
So right now I'm going
isang
to
patak
put
hanggang
6
anim na
drops
patak.
on it.
So, lagyan natin siya ng anim
You
na
could
patak.
see
Sa
the oil is dropping on the air fitting now.
5, 6.
So just only 6 drops
Hindi tumama. Dalawa pa.
for every each use.
So, nalagyan ko na
It's
ng
like you need it
kakabit
to
ko
do
na
it
dito sa
every
hose.
each use so it
Air
don't
hose.
break
Tingnan natin
the
kung okay.
impact wrench. So right now I'm going to test
Yan ang reverse.
it is good or not.
Sa forward
I
naman.
think it's working right, it's working good. So after
So,
this
i-test
we're
natin
going
kung
to
talagang malakas siya.
try
Tatanggalin natin
to
ang lug nut sa aking kotse. So, tara,
remove
samahan niyo akong
the lug nut in my car. So right now we're going to remove the lug nut
ngayon nga mga
on my tire.
sa aking gulong.
So I'm using
Tetest na natin kung gaano
I'm
siya
using the
kalakas. So,
13 by
Ang
16
gamit ko ay
impact socket.
13 by 16.
So let's try
Ito
to
yung
remove
socket.
the lug nut.
Impact wrench socket. So, subukan na natin.
So
Tanggalin.
could see are trying now to remove the lug nut. You can hear the sounds very strong. So right now it's remove it.
Tanggal
I
natin.
already
Malakas.
remove it.
Kasi
Like
talagang ito,
only
ito, maigpit eh. Nakaraan, hinipitan ko maigpit
like
ito. So, natanggal niya.
15 seconds or 20 seconds
Tatlong pindutan
for
lang. Tanggal na. So, malakas.
remove
Galing.
the lug nut. It's really
subukan
really
natin
fast.
yung forward
So
naman. Makikita nyo yung forward. Merong
right now
ito yung
I'm going to
low.
put it back the lug nut. Again, I'm
Parang
showing you right now the
pinakamahina,
forward.
malakas,
There's like a
bottom
low,
1, 2, 3.
medium, and
Subukan natin yung
high
pinaka
settings for the forward. So I'm going to set on the low mode. So I'm trying to screw it again, the lug nut on the tire. So right now you could see so right now I'm going to put on the high mode. So it's very strong, it's really fast. So
ano siya,
this impact wrench is very handy and I recommend
2 pounds lang.
it
Maganda ang
to you to buy
nakagawa
or
nito.
to use it, because for me
So, nare-recommend
this
ko
MASTERCRAFT
gamit
STUBBY
nito.
impact wrench is very good and very strong and very
Meron ako
durable
nagpapakita
and
sa
reliable.
yung isa kong ganito. Medyo
So
malaki siya ng konti.
I'm going to show you my other impact wrench, the MASTERCRAFT.
So, mga katropa,
This is the
ito yung
MASTERCRAFT that I've
impact
been used
wrench.
for 1 year
Ito
now,
ay,
but it's a little
425
more bigger than
pounds ang maximum
the
torque
stubby
niya.
impact wrench.
Pero itong isa na to ay
So
450 foot
the difference is
maximum
the
torque.
other
Pero
the stubby is 450
ito pa rin siya. Ito
foot
ginagamit na to
pounds,
makikita
and the other one, the big one, is 425 foot pounds. So
mga katropa. Kung
the
nagustuhan
stubby
niyo
is more reliable,
paki-subscribe lang po at
and also you can use it in the very narrow space in your car.
mga video.
And I
For
hope
watching.
you like this video,
Muli dito sa
and if you like this
sa
video,
Montreal.
please subscribe
Tayong mag-ingat.
and like and share. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. See you again. Bye.